In this program, we're going to learn about marshes. What is a marsh? A marsh is a wetland made up of grasses and other non-woody plants. Marshes form in low-lying areas near rivers and along seacoasts. They form a transition area between the water and the land. There are three types of marshes based on what type of water they have and where they are located. They are salt marshes, freshwater tidal marshes, and freshwater marshes. Salt marshes are found close enough to the ocean that the tides affect them. They are flooded with salt water during high tide, providing nutrients to the salt marsh. There aren't many plants that call salt marshes home because they have to survive in salt water. The most common saltwater plants are grasses called glassworts and cordgrass. A lot of animals call salt marshes home, though. There are a wide variety of insects, crustaceans, and worms that live in the salt marsh. Raccoons, mink, muskrats, and voles also call salt marshes home. Birds are the animals we see most in the salt marsh, including sparrows, shorebirds, rails, and gulls. Only two kinds of reptiles live in salt marshes: diamondback terrapins, a kind of turtle, and the salt marsh water snake are able to live in the salt water. Freshwater tidal marshes are the second type of marsh. They are similar to salt marshes because they are also affected by the tides. However, they do not have salt water. They are a freshwater habitat. Because there is not salt water, freshwater tidal marshes have a lot more kinds of animals and plants. The final type of marsh is the freshwater marsh. Freshwater marshes are similar to freshwater tidal marshes, except they are not connected to the ocean. Freshwater marshes are the most diverse of the three kinds of marshes. They vary greatly in both size and location. They make up the most common form of wetland in North America. There are many types of plants in freshwater marshes, including cattails and duckweed, that floats freely on the surface. Many animals live in freshwater marshes as well, including lots of amphibians like frogs, toads, and salamanders. And there are many kinds of birds that build nests and raise their young within the marsh, like the red-winged blackbird. Marshes are very important parts of the environment. They clean water by acting as a filter for pollution. They also reduce flooding by providing an area for water to collect during heavy rain. Unfortunately, many marshes have been destroyed by the construction of towns and cities, or drained for farmland.